Wanna know how to add phone number in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. So just simply, once you've opened up agoda.com, make sure you are logged in as well. This feature cannot be achieved if you are not logged in. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected your profile here, you should be seeing profile under points max. Just simply select profile under points max, and right here you should be seeing your email, and right below your email you should be seeing phone number. So just simply select add under your phone number, and once that is done, you can just simply select your country right here. You can either search it as well, and once that is done, you can just simply add your phone number and then select continue, and once that is done, your OTP will be sent. So once your OTP is sent, you should just confirm it through your mobile phone and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.